Hermitine97, and we are doing a cat survival world. So yeah, we're going, yay, kitty cat, yeah, kitty cat. Well, Herman keeps begging me for this. You want it? You want it?
Yeah.
But
Give me. Wait, I failed. Right, can you tell everyone the story that just happened?
Which one? The one about you getting lost, or the one about you falling off and dying?
The one about me falling off and dying.
Well, I wasn't giving Homer the fish, and I was messing and winding him up by doing. I'll just show you. By doing this, by being him. And then he tried to break the ground from underneath me like he's doing right now. Oh, you flaming, annoying cat. Don't, or you'll not get your other fish. And he tried breaking the wood underneath me. I said, stop or I'll use a fishing rod. And then he walked back off the top second floor. So you see that second one that we were on the first? Yeah, he's just walking towards it. He fell off that. He climbed back up to the same floor, fell off, and landed on a tree and died. Rip Homer. And then I just laughed.
And I laughed.
And he laughed. And then, anyway, so today I'm going to be going fishing, and Homer, here, have that. There's a present for you on the floor behind you. Don't walk back. Over there.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm being nice to you, even though you tried to eat that earlier. Yeah, he tried to eat that, and yeah, because he couldn't have the fish, so I said, do you want the axe instead? And yeah, he tried to eat it. So anyway, I'm going to be fishing today, so.
Except I could taste a bit of wood in it though. I don't know why.
Stir to the stick. Oh my life. Oh my! You idiot. I'll use the fishing rod on you. You made me miss that. You're a bad cat. If we don't get any fish, I'm blaming you. You go chase the fish. Go on, chase it. Yay! Homer did it! Woo!
Woo!
Now you're just gonna chase them again. Can we catch a Homer cat instead? Oh, yay! He actually. Oh. Homer.
Yeah.
We didn't get anything other than this. Look at my hand. You chased a piece of string. What cat does that? Seriously though, what cat does that?
Well, cats love string.
Well, you love string. I'm not a string person. You're just gonna chase the fish and drown yourself. Okay. I thought you were meant to be building.
I was.
Now you're doing this, Yeah? Is that the plan?
Yeah.
Is that your little plan to just pretend to be doing something else and then chase fish? I didn't get it.
Right, okay, you want me to do it? Right, let me do it.
I've got a spare fishing rod. There you go. I thought cats didn't like water.
I don't.
Well, why you keep going in it then?
I don't know.
Because you will. I chased the fish then. Yeah. Did you get anything?
Nope.
Chased it? You can kick me if you want. Chasing the fish. Chasing the fish. I'm swimming backwards, but you get.
Distracting me, yeah.
What? By doing cat synchronized swimming?
Yeah, what was that noise?
Ringtone. It looks like it's coming from your eyes. It looks like a laser beam.
No, it looks like it's coming from my arm.
No, it looks like it's coming from your eye. So if you go like,
You
if
made
you
me dizzy! Yeah!
go.
I don't like this fish.
Sorry, Squidge. Get the fishing rod.
Fine.
Just saying, mob spawn. So good luck. Wow, that's gonna distract me now.
Oh, look, all fish.
Are you sure you didn't catch a squid instead? Squidge sent me a message.
Oh,
I'm
I
not
got
gonna
a
read it.
saddle.
I'm not. Wait, what? You got a saddle? How come you all lucky?
I don't know.
If I get anything rubbish now, I swear that. Yeah, I got salmon. I'm the one who got the food. You're the one who got the weird stuff.
Yeah, I got a saddle. Saddles are rare.
Well, so's you being quiet, but whatever.
I'm quiet. I can be quiet.
Be quiet then.
Okay then.
You're gonna fail badly at this. Homer, you want a fish? Homer, can I have that? And you can have a fish? You want a salmon? You want to die? Wow. Wow, Homer, wow. Are you seriously gonna do that to me? Okay then I just help you with your wish. Woo! Oh, you made a noise. You made a noise. Oh, you did. You did. You did. Don't lie. Don't lie to me, Mama, because I know the truth. I know the truth. You made a noise. You laughed. I'm gonna wait till you get shot. Skeleton. Just try to. Okay. No. Come on. No. Not gonna work. No. Not gonna work. Close. No. Not gonna work. Okay. Come on. Are you gonna speak yet? Oh god. Oh god. Why did you go after me? Yeah, make it go after you. Come on, Mr. Skelly, we'll go for a walk. Oh my life, that scared me. No! No! Yo, you made sounds. Yes! Ha! I get the stuff, I get the stuff. Lol. Anyway guys, we're gonna end the episode here while I'm still alive and Homer's not got his stuff. So yeah guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!